Hey everybody, welcome. This is Gunmaker Dude, Ron with Section K Technologies, and Thanksgiving weekend, and wouldn't you know it, I have got a case of the Easy Chair Blues. And we know that is Thanksgiving weekend is not the right time for a guy's easy chair to break. And what it is, it's a real nice easy chair I've got, but what's happened is this is the bar that controls the lever, and it goes into the handle right there. And what's happened is it's made out of a real thin metal tube, had a couple of slots cut in it. You can kind of see those there in the video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make, and I've already started on it, I'm going to show you, what my design engineering was like for this. I'm going to make a substitute that should work as good as or better. I did it with a mill and a lathe, but honestly, you could probably, if you just had a lathe to do the little bit of turning you got to do, and you could probably use files, work just fine, but I've got a mill, so I'm going to do it that way. I'm not going to be showing you every little step of the tooling and such, because I think when you see what I've done, you'll figure out how it's going to go. So the first thing I needed was an overall length measurement of this piece. Let's zoom out here, if I can. Well, no, I can't with this video machine, but that's okay. So I'm going to have to replace that part. And what I'm going to do is, this is just some surplus aluminum solid bar. It had been anodized previous to me getting it, but it was really cheap, like 20 cents a pound or something like that. So this is what I'm going to use. What I've done is I've cut it about 100 thousandths long right now, which would be fine. What I'm going to do is I measured the diagonal, on the inside of the tube, and this is going to become the square part that goes into the handle with a hole through it. So I'm just going to mill 4 flats on that. I'll put it in a collet block on the mill and just mill that off till it fits in there nice and snug, and then I'll drill that 3/16 hole that's right here on the end. That will work with the screw that was in there. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'll just drill the 2 holes that are spaced about 700 thousandths apart. I'll drill slightly oversized. The original piece had some slots in it, but that's what made it so weak. So after about 5 years of getting my heavy ass out of the easy chair, it just said it didn't like that anymore. Anyway, I'll show you this again when it's done, and then my easy chair blues will be over before Thanksgiving weekend football. Anyway, I'll get back to you on it. And we're back. So anyway, just milled this tenon on here to the diameter. I've already checked the fit. It's going to be fine. That's for the drywall screw that went through there. I drilled these 2 holes, and I've already checked on the chair, so they fit. And then I'll just bolt it onto the chair. And what we've done is we spent about an hour on this, all total. But chances of me having to fix this easy chair again, within the by the way, this is just an alignment mark, so when I flipped it in the collet block, I knew where the center was, and I knew I had it aligned right. But chances of me having to fix this next Thanksgiving, pretty slim. Everybody have a happy holidays, and thanks for watching.